रस्मों को तोड़ा है, दूर कहीं जाएंगे, नई दुनिया बसाएंगे. I should have been singing that. But the sentiments are not exactly that. Reverend Father Rector, Father Brishton, Father Leon, teachers from Bold, parents, past pupils, staff members. I stand here, first of all, as always, to thank the Almighty. I thank the Almighty for the gift of life, for the gift of my family, for the gift of a Salesian vocation, and the gift of being a principal for 22 years. I thank God for my provincial, Father Godfrey D'Souza, for being inspired to send me here as a last minute transfer. I was all set to Borivali, maybe not really happy to go, but then the Lord was good to me. And I was indeed very, very happy when I heard I was coming here to Yerwada. So I thank Him for giving me this 1 year, a really wonderful year with you. Coming to my beloved community, today there should have been somebody introducing the birthday boy, but I will do it now. We are really very privileged to have Father Anton as our rector here. Very young, very dynamic, very enthusiastic, and I can also say, like Don Bosco, a man of God and a man for others. A very good organizer and very concerned, and also a visionary in his own right. A lot of plans, a lot of dreams. Thank you, Father, for heading our community and for keeping us together. Father Brishton, young, eager to learn, very, very eager to learn. And he has also been a very strong source of help to me, even when not asked, coming to the school, taking around here, there, reminding you to speak in English, speaking to those who are outside the class, a lot of concern. A man with whom I spend a lot of light moments, Father Leon. Very often at meals and after meals we would sit together, maybe watch a movie together in the refectory, or can't say everything, but a lot of light moments which I really enjoyed. But most of all, for your support, my dear community, and for the moments of togetherness that we enjoyed. A word of thanks to our coordinator, Pauline teacher, our supervisors, Leo sir, Varsha teacher, Cerulina teacher, and our headmistress, Splendina teacher. When I came in here, as usual, as normal, I was new. I didn't know much, but these people made it look very easy for me. And it is because of their guidance, their knowledge, their information, that I very easily slipped into the chairs, wherever, here or there, wherever the chairs were in the different offices. The men behind the scene, Jagannath sir, Marcus, Alban and Stalin, a very, very supportive team, I should say. An affectionate team and a supportive team. I will really miss them. We were more than staff, I think. We were quite close, quite friendly, sharing. And thank you for all that you are doing for Don Bosco here. Very methodical, very organized, everything going on well. I'm sure the new man will find everything very easy. We could say the hands and feet of the institution. Ashok Sunavane, Natha, Mani, Ashok Singh, Wilson, James, Sudhir, Margaret and Sunita. The support staff. I think God has blessed us with a very loyal and support staff. Yeah, some have, what do you call it, outgrown or whatever, but they have given their life for Don Bosco. All cannot be young always. All of us grow old at some time or the other. But a very, very loyal staff, I can say, a very supportive staff, always ready to do something or the other. Thank you, my dear support staff. Coming to our dear parents, nice to see all of you here. Maybe not especially for this occasion, but maybe to take the results of your children. मी माझा हृदयातील धन्यवाद देतो. Maybe the first Marathi words I have spoken here in this year, but just to say thank you, my dear parents, especially the PTA members and the vice presidents of all the sections. Thank you very much for your support. If at all we have been able to do much this year, it is because of your support. I know sometimes might have been a burden, especially financial wise, but you were always very helpful, you were always very supportive. So my dear parents, thank you so much, and may God bless you and give you the grace and the strength to look after your children well. Give them time, that is most important, my dear parents. Give your children time, love them and let them know that they are loved, as Don Bosco would say. My dear past pupils, when I came here, I was wondering what I would do. Though I have a history of working with past pupils, but everything gelled in so well, everything fell in place, and I must say that with this very, very supportive group wanting to come back home, wanting to come back to Don Bosco, wanting to give their time and talents to Don Bosco. And that is why with them we were able to have so much and able to do so much. My dear past pupils, you represent the whole group, but I will definitely miss you. But I enjoyed working with you especially for the present students. We have a group here as already introduced to you. Before talking to you, my dear students, we are definitely interested in the overall development, in your overall development. But the main thrust is academics. And we want everybody to be on the same. That is why we have this wonderful group of bold here with us. I wanted them to be here today in a special way to acknowledge, my dear teachers, all that you are doing for us. Maybe this also behind the scene, but definitely you have been here day in and day out, worried about our students with learning difficulties and wanting them also to be part of the mainstream. Please extend my thanks to Dr. Anjali, to the whole Health and Education Foundation, but a special word of thanks also to Mrs. Meda, Prajakta and Poonam and Vaidevi, who've been here the whole year working with our children. Thank you so much. I know you are very conducive in clapping, but can you please clap loudly? Very good. That's it. Nice. My dear students, beginning with those of the junior college, thank you very much for your contribution to the college in your own way. I may be termed as a very strict disciplinarian, stressing especially on regularity, attendance and punctuality. But mind it, for all of you, my dear students, it is not for me. This is, we know, a very dirty job. And I have been doing this job for the last 22 years. Maybe I have got used to it.